Hey guys, welcome back. We're back up here on my front porch again because of the rain that we've been having. But I've got here another saw. This is the OzarkTrails Folding Saw. I believe it was a 7.5 inch saw. And I noticed a little feature as I was messing with this a bit ago. It has a double lock on it. Of course, normal lock whenever you open it up. But it also has the lock whenever you close it. And I've noticed, it does on the 3 Oaks one, I believe it does lock as well, but it's nowhere near as solid as this. So this is even with the two cheap brands, this one definitely has an upgrade on that. There's no folding back that I've noticed so far. And of course, I haven't used it yet. I just got this the other day, so it's still sharp and everything, and it as well has the double-sided teeth, so which I greatly prefer. I even have this on my my big hand saw that I use in my shop. So I said just a little push button here at the back. Commonality with these folding saws, pretty common point. But like I said, this actually feels pretty sturdy for that. Alright, let's go ahead and get you down here and show you how it works, how it performs. So, a little bit of hedge again, and I believe it is oak as well. So, you know what? Let me get you pointed down a little bit farther. Yeah, I'm using my kids' picnic table for this. I'm sure they wouldn't mind. No, but I'm alone today, so I'm sure they wouldn't mind. Well, I'm alone for the time being. Trying to get to where I don't cut the table by accident. Well, you saw how easy it went through that, and if you seen my other video about that gerber, you can tell this one's definitely sharper. Let's go ahead and run through this. It's actually taking a little bit longer to get to this one. Of course, it's about twice the size too. There we go. Yeah, being sharp definitely helps out quite a bit. Like I said, if you've seen my video with the gerber saw, you'll see how dull it was compared to this. So overall, not that bad. I do plan on putting this in either my pack or my truck. I'm not real sure yet, but it's going to wind up in one of the two. But I would definitely use this more often, even with it being in Ozark Trails and whatnot. So, yeah, not that bad. I do like how this one's has a lot more of a ridge on it above the teeth than that Gerber does. But overall, I like it. And alright, let's go ahead and get you set up for the video verse. Alright, this one's going to be in Luke 12, 57 through 59. And it says, "Why don't you judge yourselves what is right? As you are going with your adversary to the ruler, make an effort to settle with him on the way. Then he won't drag you before the judge hand you over to the bailiff, and the bailiff throw you into prison. I tell you, you will never get out of there until you have paid the last cent." And that was Luke 12, 57 through 59. And I will see you in the next one.